Stop juggling between apps and supercharge your team's productivity by connecting Asana and Microsoft Teams. Let's dive right into integrating Asana into your team's workspace first. Navigate to the Teams channel where you want to add your Asana project. See that plus sign at the top? Click it to add a new tab. This will open up the app selection window. In the search bar, type in Asana. You'll see the Asana app appear. Click on it. Now, hit the add button. You might be prompted to log into your Asana account if you haven't already authorized Teams. After logging in, you will be able to select the specific Asana project you want to display within this Teams channel. Choose your project and click Save. And just like that, your Asana project is now seamlessly integrated as a tab in your Teams channel. Now you can view tasks, update progress, and collaborate directly from Teams, eliminating the need to constantly switch between applications. Plus, you can create new tasks and assign them to team members directly within the Teams interface. How great is that? For a more comprehensive view, access the Asana app itself within Teams. This provides a centralized hub for notifications and updates. You'll receive real-time notifications about project updates, new tasks, and comments, ensuring you never miss a beat. So, take advantage of the integration and watch your team's productivity soar.